How to make $100 online fast to get paid for your opinions with focus groups. Yes, this is the topic for today's video. I'm going to show you how you can make money on focus groups. If you are not new to these terms, this is like surveys, but it's not like surveys, and it's like live survey. So this is interesting part. You can earn a decent amount of money by doing focus group surveys and complete those, and you will get paid. And if you're not new, if you're not new in this field, you already know how it works. But if you're new and you haven't make any money online yet, so this video is for you. For your first $100 fast, you can make $100 fast with these methods. I'm going to show you 3 websites for online focus groups works, and I'm going to show you how the work process is. So without wasting any of your time, I'm going to show you this first website, which is called userinterviews.com. Yes, this is userinterviews.com. You may heard it already or not. I have already talked about this website on my previous videos, but I came up in the list in this website as well because it's related to focus group, and this is the trusted websites that you have to work with to get paid. This is important. Getting paid is very important. So working with trusted company is really important for you as well. So if you just go over to userinterviews.com, you can see that we connect researchers and participants. So all over the world there are lots of companies that want to research their product, how the product performs, and what is the pros and cons, and what people doesn't like it or not, or they love it or not, what the reactions of the product, what is the side effects, what's the effects, and all it is they want it live. That is it. Sometimes surveys are not like a real people's many peoples do that surveys like with false informations to earn money. So this is the alternative way for companies to get real reviews, real opinions about their products, and they can develop it more, they can fix it, and they can increase their business as well. So this is a win-win situation, and they want to pay you as well. So they are going to ask you live sessions. So this is what is all about on focus group. If you join that, this is sign up on user interviews is completely free. You just hit the sign up button, and it will be ask you like, are you a researchers or participants? So as well, we want to earn money here, so we click on participants. So this is going to be like this simple form fill up and hit sign up with email, and you're good to go. So when you create your profile, browse studies that interest you and apply to those studies. They will notify you when you qualify. So if you just used that product, you can apply it and you will get qualified for sure. So trust is very important thing in this field. You have to be trusted and legit. You cannot say lie to anyone. So companies want your honest review on that, and they want it live. They will ask you just when you get qualified for a project, they will confirm you a time slot anytime you want. It's for you, for your convenience, and they will arrange a meeting, a live meeting with you, or they will ask you some group of people to go some places to attend that sessions, and you are good to go. You just attend there or attend it from home by online, so you just get that sessions. All it takes is simply they will ask you some live questions about the product, and it's not like prefixed. They will just ask you live questions about it, so you don't know what will be the questions, so you don't know the exact answer. You cannot be prepared for that. You have to answer it live, and that is what companies want. They want real opinion, real reactions about it. And user interviews already are backed by trusted by research team of like big brands like CNN, Amazon, Pinterest, Spotify, Adobe. So you name it, it's a very trusted way to earn money online. So if you just work on this, it will be good to earn a decent amount of money every month. $100 fast is really easy here. You can make even thousands dollar completing these offers. So this is the first website. The second website that I want to show is called respondent.io. So this is respondent.io is also you may heard it already or not, but this is the similar type of websites that provide focus group studies and projects that you can participate, and it's also a free to join. Just simply get started, hit the get started button, and you are good to go. They will show you the simplest form, and this is the sections. You just click I'm a participant or I'm a researcher. As we are earning money here, you select I'm a participant, and if fill up this simple form and create account, and it's good to go. And you can see that they are already backed by Microsoft, Oracle, IBM, and big brands like that. So this is a really awesome way to earn money online. If you just go after your registrations, it will go through their project list. You can see that they have this is the running projects of on their sites. You can see they are asking like $100 for 20 minutes of your sessions. 20-minute sessions, $100. 60 minutes, $100, and another 60 minutes, $100. And it time depends. Some companies require more time from you, some companies requires less. So on average, you can see that all the jobs are around $100 jobs, and you will get it like in 1 hour of sessions. So why not try that? This is the fastest way to earn money online. So reaching $100 online fast is really easy by completing this project. So if you just sign up and apply all these projects, and if you are a user of that project and you are trusted and you are legit a customer of that project or the product, you are good to go, and you will get qualified for really soon. And one project can make you $100 easy. That is why this is the easiest way to make $100 fast. So the third website I'm going to show you is called recruitandfield.com. This is recruitandfield.com. So this is you may heard this website or not. It's more like an unknown website, but simply this is a trusted website. This is really good, and they are going to get you to lots of focus groups projects out there, and you are good to go and earn a decent amount of money. So simply you just get in touch, click in the let's connect or get in touch button, and you also they have a participant registrations. You simply just hit the register as a participant, and you will be prompted like this, and you just click on I am looking to participate in studies. So click on that, will go to these forms, and you can see that they are working since 1977. So this is a really old websites, but many people don't know about it because maybe they are marketing. But anyway, it's a really good and trusted website, and old website. So US peoples, if you live in USA, you can just click on register now for USA, or if you live in outside of USA, you can just click register this button to register and participate into various projects and works and research field, and you just complete those focus group surveys, and you are good to go to make money online. So $100 online making online is really easy and fast way. This is the way. You just work on these 3 websites, and in no time you will reach $100 and you will make more money. It will turn out like a daily job for you. So if you just work daily, some couple of hours spent, and you're good to go to make a decent amount of money every month. $1,000 month is easy to reach here. So if you like this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest video on money horn, and new videos are going to be uploaded daily. So stay tuned, see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.